Yo, what is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. If you guys are not in the free Discord, go join it. It is the first link down below. I finally got back home, so we're back to making some more YouTube videos. This is going to be a back testing session. I did try to record this twice. I did this earlier whenever I first got home. In the video, I was up 3.5K, but the video was way too long because I kept missing out on trades because, dude, I was dead tired. I needed to go on a run and get some food in me. And then I just tried to record it again, but I went 3 days without a trade and the video was already 20 minutes. So we're going to restart this. Still in April. Still 100K account balance. So the only thing is we are not on April 1st anymore. We're on April 4th. Actually, we're going to go to the next day. April 5th. And yeah, so let me know in the comments down below at the end of this video if you guys like this content, because I can make one of these every week for you guys. Just let me know down below and I can make these every week. I did get the free trial on FX Replay, so we can use the same account if you guys like these videos, but if you guys don't let me know, then I'm just going to cancel the subscription. But if you guys do, then I can keep making them. So without further ado, we're going to hop into this. So the rules are going to be the same as whenever I'm trading. No more than 2 trades a day. If I win, then I'm probably just going to be done for the day, because I usually don't take more than 1 win because they're much bigger than my losers. So that no trading the 11 a.m. hour unless 10 a.m. was choppy, and then I can come back at like 12 or 1 and trade that. But yeah, other than that, we're going to trade the exact same way that I usually do. So right now we have Monday as high of week. No. Okay, so we do have this SMT right here, right? ES took out this high, NQ has not. If we look at the monthly, that's a monthly SMT above all-time highs. We're getting daily displacement here. So coming into today, whoa. Okay, so do we have news on this day? Yeah, we just had news drop at 8:30. So we do have an SMT down here, which we just took out, and we do have this large fair value gap. So we could aim for that. So right there is the SMT. So yeah, right now, not really much. So yeah, I mean, straight down and then straight back up. If we go to the 1 minute, yeah, look at that. We did have a change in delivery right here, but obviously I'm not going to take that because the risk is way too big. So we'll see what we want to do. One thing that we could do is take all those lows and come into 50% of this wick. If we do that, then I'd look for some longs. Yeah. Market opened. We did take all these lows throughout here. SMT. 5-minute SMT. Remember, we are going to try to look for that 1 hour fair value gap. 6 hour, we already took out this large candle's low. So we could aim for this candle's equilibrium as well, the body of it. Okay, so there's the 1 hour fair value gap. There's equilibrium, but we should continue higher. Oh, right there's SMT inside of a 15-minute fair value gap. Right there. Right here. Oops. Right here. There's a dog outside. My window's open, by the way. Right there is the SMT. Alright, so change in delivery wouldn't happen until up here. Okay. Respecting what? Bullish PD arrays. How far are we from the change in delivery? We're only 5 points. So could aim for this equilibrium of this fair value gap, midpoint. So we could just mark it in here and risk off this low. Yeah, I like that. And just go for this up here. Let's go ahead and mark it in here. We'll do 1% per trade. Boom. We could get stopped. Okay, so ripping through those highs. A 2R isn't until up here, but yeah, right there is the next thing that I would be looking at, is this 15-minute fair value gap, like for a partial. What is it? A 1.5? I mean, that's not bad. Boom. So let's go ahead, partial 50%. Stop loss to break even. Boom. Filled out right there. Nice trade. So this trade, just to recap real quick. Getting my bias from that 1 hour SMT, right? We had this large 4 hour, large 6 hour down close candle, just aiming for the equilibrium of it, and partials off in this 15-minute fair value gap right there. Another thing is you could have just marked off equilibrium of yesterday's entire candle. But yeah, 15-minute SMT instead of a 15-minute fair value gap. Got that 1 minute change in delivery. I kind of did think I was going to get stopped right here and then going to have to re-enter, but just had to manage risk. So this low, if it was going to, should have stayed protected because of this, but didn't have to, so probably would have just re-entered. So let's go to what, Monday? Come on, come on. Okay, so here we are, Monday. Daily chart. Monday, April 8th. Doesn't look like there's any news. We have previous day high. Previous day high. Ooh, we are just pretty much accumulating here. And we did take this internal low. Kind of not really on the NQ though, just barely. So probably going to have to go with lower time frame trade ideas. So we did just get a, okay, so we're just going straight up. Gonna have to wait till market opens. Alright. Market opens in 1 second. Do have this 30-minute. Right, we did change delivery here on the 15 to 30. Right there on the 15. Also the 1 hour right there. So if we can come down into here, I'd look for a 3-minute change in delivery. We'd have to build some structure though. Okay, so we violated that low. Alright, these were basically equal lows. It was kind of sus. This is going to be a 10 a.m. hour kind of day. Knee itches. Alright, so we just tapped. We do have an SMT down here. But if we were bullish, we shouldn't have violated that low. And we did put in this SMT as well. We have SMTs all over the fucking place. 15-minute fair value gap. This would be your CRT. And this would be your change in delivery. We did make equal highs on the ES though. I don't like that. I was gonna say, let's wait to see if we make a 1-minute fair value gap. Can we take these highs on the ES? It's making me uncomfortable. Boom. Alright, so we're ripping through there. So this SMT is holding. Out of all the SMTs, one of them finally is showing that it wants to hold. We're not even going to tap that 15-minute. Really? Really? Okay, so there. See if we can make some structure. It is 11 here. Damn, bro. What are we doing? Straight down, straight up. Dude, I'm not really down for this PA. Let's wait till PM. Okay, so PM just opened up. Oh, dude, I mean, what is this? Yeah, dude. I don't really like Mondays unless there's news. So, okay, so it ended up being an inside candle. We still have this high up here. And we did drive below that candle. Dude, that dog needs to shut up. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Oh yeah, I already did say my window's open. Okay, so 9:15. Really? What is today? April 9th? No news. So we did just take that day. Okay, so we took the daily high on both. We did have a change in delivery here. Well, we do have equal lows right there. So we took that daily high that I was eyeballing that whole time. Ooh, 1 hour closed, or 1 hour looks like a very nice, boom, distribution lower. Look at these lows, they look so bad. See if we make a 5-minute fair value gap here. Why isn't the NQ doing anything? Alright, let me refresh real quick. Okay. Why isn't the NQ moving? Okay, well the ES made a fair value gap. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we did, obviously we made a 5-minute fair value gap here because ES is showing that it did. We did create equal highs But remember, we did take that daily high that I was looking at. So 10 a.m. is opening higher. Ooh, 15-minute change in delivery here. Alright, so there's a 1-minute sweep inside of a 1-minute fair value gap. 5-minute taken. Alright, so this would be our 1-minute change in delivery right there. And boom, there it is. Yeah, we can mark it in here with that's a small stop loss with a TP down here and here. Yeah, look. Alright, so this looks really good. Even though we are tapping, we are tapping into that, but keeping in mind that we took that daily high, and we are tapping a 15-minute, or we're tapping 15-minute CISD. These two up close candles takes this candle's high. We're gonna place order with a 1% safe. Nice. Wait, let me mark these lows off on the ES as well. Oh wow, look at all these lows on the ES. Alright, is that a 2R? Yeah, that's a 2R. So let's close 50%, save, move stop to break even. Whoa. Alright. Nice. Whoa, I wasn't expecting a straight drop like that. But you guys see, takes that daily high that I was eyeballing, 15-minute change in delivery right there, 15-minute candle range taken on the high right there, 1-minute high. Change in delivery with these two up closes. Why would I use those? It's because we take out a 1-minute swing high. All right. So nice trade right there. Let's go to the next day. So we're up 6.6K right now. That trade was pretty nice. It's Wednesday here. Oh, wait. Why is NQ so much further down? We have FOMC minutes today. Why is the NQ like that? Oh, okay, there we go. Wow, I don't know what the fuck we're gonna be looking at today. Holy shit, we actually dived off a cliff. Oh wait, no, that wasn't yesterday. This was yesterday. Wow, we ran all the way back up to these highs. That's crazy. I mean, dude, I'm not gonna... We're gonna have to rebalance this candle. Dude, like, look at that. Could do this. I mean, ooh, 1-minute change in delivery right there. Dude, what is that? Did create equal lows. But there is FOMC minutes at 2 p.m., so I wouldn't go with a full percentage risk here. We have this low down here. Right, I wouldn't go with a full percent risk. But since we have these equal lows, why not go ahead and set a limit at this fair value gap? And then down to this low. So we're going to go with 0.5. Yeah, we'll go ahead and save. Oh, I accidentally marked it in. My bad. I didn't mean to mark it. So we would have gotten tapped in. Looks like it's gonna run out. Ooh, I didn't see that. Yeah, I got stopped there. I didn't see this little fair value gap. Wow, we are just chopping. We did enter this 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour fair value gap. We take out these highs right here. It is 11, but keeping in mind what did 10 do? Chopped around. So this right here could be your manipulation. Still have those equal lows, tapped into a 5-minute fair value gap, 5-minute change in delivery right there. $15-minute change. I mean, this looks really good. So I'd be willing to retry this. Stop loss can be right up here. That's at least the 2R right there. We'll go with 0.5% once again. Save. Let me change this though back to limit so I don't accidentally mark it back in. Wow, we were really waiting for FOMC minutes. Oh, dude, I thought we were gonna get... Oh, wait. Oh, we did put in that SMT right there. I thought we were going to get lucky and we were going to get really close to being stopped down, then it'd rip. But, right, that's why I did 0.5%. I mean, we lost, what, $1,000? Right, just choppy here. But this high should stay intact, so let's actually play this out. Holy fuck. We aren't doing anything. Wow, we didn't go anywhere. We didn't go anywhere. Okay, so we'll do a few more trades. This is only 20 minutes right now. So I've taken 4 trades, I think, so far. So yeah, that's pretty good. What is today? Coming into Thursday. So we do have previous day low here. Oh, we do have an SMT right there, but we have equal lows. So let's see if we can tap into that. Ooh, SMT down here. Do we have news today? Thursday, April 11th, 8:30 news. So we did put in SMT, and we also swiped this internal low. So news. Giant green dildo. So we could reverse all this. Can we tap into that 15? $10 a.m. open low? Yes. Dude, look at ES. It's so weak. Look at that. Ooh, we do have that 1 hour right there. Right there was the 1 minute, sorry, 1 minute change in delivery. I was gonna say if we got fair value gap above this high, I'd probably enter. I don't like how ES is super weak. But the NQ looks obviously like it wants to just go higher. Like the thing is if this is gonna be an actual SMT here, down here with this low, we shouldn't run it. We should keep going if we want to keep going. We have previous day low SMT, so should I try it? Right here's the change in delivery. We respected this. Right there, we respected it. After we closed above this candle, we respected this candle. So I mean, this fair value gap here should hold us since it's above a high. We could put a stop at this swing low. Like, I just kind of want to take trades for you guys so you guys can see how, like, how to process some of it, right? ES is respecting this one. Let's go ahead and try. We can do a 0.7% risk limit. Damn. Yeah, we shouldn't do that. This should have been respected. Oh my god. ES kind of trying to lead the way here. Okay, so we just cleared out that high. Yep, partial there. Okay, we did take it. Right, so 2 losses, right? The day before you guys see me, I wiped it away, right? 1 win is over 2 losses, right? So why did I take it, right? 1 hour fair value gap that broke above these highs, 1 hour SMT with previous day low. Those are the best kind of SMTs. 1 hour internal low swept, 15-minute fair value gap with a 1 minute change in delivery right here. Right, I took this fair value gap since it broke a high, but I didn't really care if it got disrespected or not. Right, you guys see we come down, take this low, and then we close above these candles. Right, so we don't violate this low again. I could have moved my stop up here, but I really wasn't paying attention like that. And then I just targeted a strict 2R because I don't know where we're going. Right, so I don't know where we're going, so I'm just going to partial at 2R. All right, so quick, easy, does it. We're kind of in this choppy price action here. So this is an inside candle. It is Friday, so Wednesday has low of week. We could continue higher here, but it is Friday, so I'm going to keep that in mind. We have the 6-hour candle here. Boom, boom. Boom. Right. Yeah, so I think this video, I should end this pretty soon. Right, I don't want these to be too long, especially if I'm going to do these every week. You guys will see the analysis every week, so I don't want these to be too long. Looking at the 15, 4-hour fair value gap, 1 hour fair value gap, 30-minute, 15-minute, everything's getting tapped here. So a 15-minute change in delivery would not occur until up here. So we can just wait to see what's going to happen. It is before market open right now. Whoa, absolute dumper. Whoa, 6-hour candle range low taken right there. Damn. Damn, bruh. Oh, we tapped a 1 hour right there. I didn't even realize that. Oh, 5-minute change wouldn't have been until down there. We did put in a 5-minute SMT right there, but before market open, I probably wouldn't have messed with it, so. I don't know where we could go from here. We did just come into equilibrium of previous day's range. We're tapping a 15-minute and 30-minute fair value gap here. Was there news? Oh yeah, there was news. Okay. Cool. So 10 a.m. is dumping straight lower. If we could leave that... We didn't leave that low. Dang. Alright, so we tapped the 5-minute change in delivery. Oh, we didn't tap that 1 hour fair value gap there. I don't really like this. Oh, that could have been nice. I just don't like... I don't have an idea of like where we're going. Like this is a... Like yesterday, I didn't know where we were going, so I partialed at a strict 2R. Like we just went straight up yesterday. Whoa, we went way up. Holy shit. And now today we're going way down. Okay, so this could just be a straight move lower. All right, we'll try this. Why not? We're just gonna go with the trend, right? It is past 11. However, we're just gonna go with the trend, right? We have this low here on the ES, equal lows. We have this low on the ES, equal, basically equal. We have this low on the NQ, and we have this low on the NQ, right? 15-minute fair value gap that broke beneath lows. A 1-minute change in delivery. So, how far are we from it? 10 points. I mean, should I just mark? That might be cheating. So, let's go ahead, put a limit here. We'll do 0.7% since it is Friday. I'm glad I did. Guess going with the trend. That's why I don't trade 11, bro. I fucking hate 11. Absolutely despise 11. But we can retry this. Like, we should disrespect this. And we still haven't taken that candle's low. Like, my thinking behind this is we're going to reclaim this fair value gap. So I'm going to go ahead and retry it, because why not? I guess I shouldn't have retried it. Dude, you kidding me? Oh my god. Boom, PT hit. Guess stop loss needed to be at the high right there, boys. Yep. Stop needed to be at the high. Sometimes you get that. Unbelievable. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes that's just the way life goes. It fucks you. So let's go to the next day. Let's get a win, and let's end this video. Damn. So every time we take a loss, we take 2. So maybe I should just stop. If I take a loss, I should just stop. Okay, I mean, look at this PA. We're just sitting here like, what are we doing? We have all these lows. New weekly candle here. We have these lows. Previous week low. I can't believe that happened. That's messed up. ES has a nice 6-hour candle range right here, which is not previous day high. Not tapping any 15-minute. Dude, I can't believe that happened. I'm still kind of mad about that. 8:30 news just dropped. And open. Did we get a 1-minute CISD there? Okay, we didn't. Because I was thinking about shorting that. Holy fuck. Whoa. Big SMT. With news low. Jesus, that's a big move. Wait, no. Give me a fair value gap. No, wait, bro. Wait for 10. Boom, 10 a.m. Opens high. Into a 15-minute fair value gap. Change in delivery. See if we create an imbalance here. So we do. Let's just go ahead and mark it in. Take this quick dub and then bounce. Wait, why am I shorting? Am I bearish? Oh yeah, I said that we have all these lows throughout here. We are also rejecting this 1 hour. I was getting ahead of myself, so hold on. We are rejecting this 1 hour. We did take an internal high on the 5. We did change delivery on the 5. And we did take this internal high, which is a 15-minute fair value gap, and we have all these lows resting throughout here. So let's go for these equal lows here, because I don't think we expand too much. We're going to market this. Take a quick dub. Bounce. Alright, right there's the 1-minute change. Boom! Take that quick dub. Bounce. Oh my god. I probably could have held this all day. Yeah. Yeah. Take that quick dub. Wipe out the losers. Bounce. Oh my god. Yeah, so you guys saw some pretty nice trades. Obviously, some of them could have been avoided, but that's just like everything. As long as you're managing risk, like you guys see, we'll go to analytics. A 50% win rate. Every time I took one loss, I took 2 in the same day. So 50% win rate. We're up 6.7, bro. Like, that's just how it is. If you can manage risk, take it by the balls. Right, so obviously this wasn't the best, but this was a very good first upload for this backtesting, right? You guys see the days, not bad. Is there any more data? I don't really know how to work this. Where's like a RR? Average RR 2.57. Win rate 50%. Right? So we're closing the day with us at all-time highs on the P&L. So yeah, beautiful first episode of the back testing session. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like these. So yeah, if you do, then I'll keep the Forex or FX replay subscription. If you don't, then I'm bouncing. I'm not keeping it. There's no reason for me to pay for it if I'm not using it. So we can continue using this CISD number 2. And yeah, that's going to be it. So let me know in the comments, guys. For real. Don't just bounce off this video after it's finished. Let me know, right? And once again, this trade, this Tuesday trade, that's what made it, right? It just takes one trade, right? Base hit, base hit, base hit, home run, right? Low risk, wiped away, right? One trade, one win, 2 trades, 2 losses, wiped away, right? Oh, look at that. I took that loss, 2 losses, wiped away, 2 losses, wiped away. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing here. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys want me to keep doing this. But other than that, I'm going to get out of here. Peace.